Okay, you guys, so we're gonna do a Father's Day gift. So I brought this for my husband. I knew that he would like them. He had saw them before and he wanted them, but then he kind of didn't, but then he did, but he didn't. So he ended up leaving them. So I knew I had to get them for him for Father's Day because he really liked them. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna order them online and I'm gonna get them for him myself. And that's exactly what I did. So we're gonna go ahead and we are gonna use the box as it is. I like the box. Sorry you guys, I'm cutting something real quick. So I'm gonna use the box, and if I want to I can wrap up the box, but I like the box. It's a nice gray color, so I'm actually gonna work with it. You can work with it, you can change it up, you can do whatever you want, but I like the box. But I'm gonna show you the shoes really quick. So this is for Father's Day, you guys. These are New Balances, which are so comfortable. Look how pretty these are. So these are the New Balance 9060. And as soon as I saw them, I love the back of them. I love the chunky feel to it. I kind of wanted these for myself. They're so pretty with the black shoelaces and the black heels. These are so pretty, you guys. If you get a chance, these are great walking shoes. These are just beautiful. So I kind of see why he wanted them. Okay. So we're going to build around the shoe, but I'm going to cover the shoe up. I'm not going to leave the shoe. Well, should I leave the shoe open so when he opens it, he sees them? Or should I cover it up? What do you guys think? I think I should cover it up, because what if I damage the shoe? I don't want to damage the shoe. So let's cover them up. Okay? I like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work with the lid. So I kind of wanted to do something with the lid. You guys see that? Let me bring this up. Okay. You guys see the lid? So I am going to do something with the lid. I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to add this vinyl decal. This says Dad. You can do so many things, you guys. And it's not going to fall apart. It's not going to rip. Don't get scared to do different things and show up with different designs. When you guys are making something, don't get scared. Just go for it. Go ahead and make it. I'm looking for my scraper. You guys, I have such a mess here. If I showed you, you guys would be like, oh my God, Susie. I'm usually very organized. I don't want no air bubbles. You're going to lift it. You're going to find out where the middle of the box is. And you're just going to go ahead and place it down. That looks so cool already. I should have done more than that. I should have done a nice design. Nicer. Not that that isn't nice, but you know, if it rips, see, I gotta make sure I press it well. But it does stay on cardboard. I know that for a fact. I mean, I've done it before on cardboard. I don't know why it doesn't want to stick, you guys. Oh, there you go. It's just a little stubborn. Don't worry. As you lift it, use your thumb to press on it. You see what I'm doing? As you lift it, use your thumb to press on it. It does want to stay. It's just being stubborn. Use your finger as you lift it. Okay, don't get nervous. Don't panic. Where's my... Okay, you're going to do the same thing to this one. Don't panic. I'm lifting it a little bit just so I could stretch it out. And there you go. You see how... Don't ever panic when you're making a DIY, because the worst thing you can do is panic. You're going to mess up the whole project. You saw how I didn't panic? I just took care of it. And there you go. How cool is that? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lean it towards the wall so you guys can get a good view. Okay. So look how pretty that is. It just says Dad. So when he opens it up, he's going to be able to see how cool is this. So the first thing I actually brought him was this cute, and this is a mini hammer tool, and this is 18 functions in one set. It has a hammer, nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, nail pullers, saw, remover hook, knife, bottle opener, fish scaler, file, Phillips screwdriver, another screwdriver, keys, and a file. And this I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And you can leave this in the back of your car. If you ever need to break your window and you close it, you have a mini hammer for your protection, bottle opener, and so many cool things. And this was at the Dollar Tree. And I'm really happy that I picked it up. I wasn't sure if I was going to pick it up, you guys. Because I'm like, what's he going to need a little hammer for? But you never know. I picked up this cool knife at Walmart, and it was on sale on clearance for $5. And it has a case in the back, so I was really happy about that. That it had the case in the back, because that way he has somewhere to put it in his car, or if he's carrying it on him, he has a case holder. Just for protection, you know. Nothing big. Okay, I'm going to put this one on this side. So he's going to be able to see everything. Okay. The next thing I picked up was an air freshener. And this was from Dollar Tree. And this is in the lavender. I also picked up the one in the new car smell. And I also picked up the one in the cherry. So I was able to get all three. Oops. And I think these are going to be so cute, you guys. And then I have one more. So this is going to go with the shoes, actually. So I'm not going to be able to add this one, because there's just no room. But that's okay. I'll add it to something else. I don't want to overwhelm it. I'm going to add some money with this money holder that I made. How cute is this? This a little heart. You open it like that and you put the money in here, and it's a one piece. So it's one piece. You don't have to do anything else to it. You just add your money. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my money. Make sure wherever how much money you're putting in there, you close it up, and it's just like that. So that's going to be here in the front. Or should I put it back here? No, it's not going to look cute there. So we're going to put it right here. And then you know what? He's not going to be able to see it here. Well, it's okay because I'm still going to give him the box anyways. I'm going to add a gift card to AutoZone, but I need a glue dot for that. I thought I had a bunch of glue dots, but I see that I don't know where they're at. Give me 1 minute while I look for my glue dots. Okay, I found them. Well, I found a lot of them. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add this glue dot. This is gonna be like this. It's gonna stay open, and I'm gonna put it on the table for Father's Day. He's probably gonna be like, he's not gonna think it's gym shoes because he's not gonna see. He's not gonna see the back of it. Watch. He's gonna be like, okay. I'm gonna add a glue dot to the gift card. I'm gonna add it right there. This is gonna be cool. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more thing to this. Okay, one more thing. Oh, I forgot, I brought this battery charger. I'm definitely gonna add it on there. This is a battery, you know, when the lights go off and you need to charge your phone and you know the powers go off, what are you gonna do? This is one of those. And it's really pretty. You open it up and you charge it, and then you keep it in your room, and then it's ready. So in case the light goes off, you can charge your phone. And you won't be like suffering because the lights went off. And I thought this was really cool for him to have. He didn't have one of these. So I'm going to add that one in there really quick. I got him 2 of the clips. I like getting these a lot. I got quite a few things. I just don't want to overwhelm it. I'm going to add a bow tie to it, but I'm going to, of course, use a glue dot, and the bow tie is just going to be like a design. But wait until you see it right now. I'm going to add the bow tie. And there you go, you guys. I have a Father's Day gift box for a man, obviously. I love the fact that the shoes are in there. I have money. I have a gift card. And let's see what he says. Happy Father's Day. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye, you guys.